Hi guys, in this video I would like to present one of the disk scheduling algorithm CLOOK. My request is first watch the look scheduling algorithm video, then come to this video. Now we will see what is CLOOK. So in this algorithm the disk head takes one direction. It is same as in look algorithm, whether it can go to right hand direction or left hand direction, or it can go to the maximum track number available on that direction or minimum track numbers direction. Whatever it is, it first choose one direction. On that direction it visit all the requests available in the queue and it stops at the maximum request on that direction. From that point it returns back. Okay, it reverses the direction, and within that direction it doesn't accept any request, but it directly goes to the last request in the opposite direction. That is only the difference between look and CLOOK algorithm. In look algorithm, after reaching the maximum request in one direction, it changes the direction and visit all the requests in the opposite direction. But in CLOOK algorithm, after visiting the last request in one direction, it reverses and directly go to the last request in the opposite direction. From that point it returns and visit all the remaining requests. So that is about CLOOK algorithm. Now we will understand this algorithm by taking one example. So I am taking the same example for all the algorithms so you can easily understand. So here the queue having some head request and our head starts at 53 position. So from 53 it moves to the maximum number of the track or maximum number available. It takes this direction. From 53 it starts and go to 65. Okay, from 65 67, so I am marking the moves. This is my first move. From 65 to 67 second move, then this is the third move. From 98 to 122 fourth move, 122 124 is the fifth move, and 124 to 183 is the sixth move. Like in look algorithm, it stops at 183. It doesn't touch the end. Okay, but here the difference is from 183 it reverses. On the reverse direction, here the request available in the queue are, what are the requests? 37 and 14. In look algorithm, in this direction first it accepts the 37 request, then 14. But here the difference is from 183 it directly goes to the last request available in the opposite direction. Here the last request is 14. So from 183 to 14 is the seventh move. From 14 again it turns, it takes the reverse direction and visit all the remaining requests on that direction. Here the remaining request is 37. So 37 is the last request available in the queue. Okay, so the head starts from 53 and it takes one direction. On that direction it visit all the requests available and it stops at the last request on that direction. From this direction it directly moves to the last request available in the opposite direction. From that direction again it turns in the opposite direction and visits all the remaining vertices. Okay, so that is about CLOOK algorithm. Now how can you identify the number of tracks visited by the head? So simple. So here the starting position is 53 and the last position is 183. If you subtract, you can get all the tracks available on this direction. From 183 to 14, 183 minus 14. From 14, 37. Okay, so you can easily get the tracks numbers which the head moves. So 183 minus 53 plus 183 minus 14, 183 minus 14 plus 37 minus 14. Now we'll get 322. So the head moves total 322 tracks by using the CLOOK algorithm. So the only difference between the LOOK algorithm and CLOOK algorithm is, in LOOK algorithm our head is moved towards, the disk head is moved towards one direction up to the maximum request. From that direction it turns or it starts towards opposite direction and visit all the vertices on that direction and it stops at the last request. But here from the highest track number or the maximum track number or the last request on one direction, it reverses and directly it goes to the last request on the opposite direction. From here again it turns back and visit all the remaining vertices. Okay, so this is about CLOOK algorithm. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this session well. Thank you.